Hey, what's up, my friends? So, today was a great day. I'm very happy about what happened today. After losing like almost $250, I was able to recover and be at the green level with $270. And yeah, so I just want to give you guys some updates about what stock I traded today and how did I trade these stocks, like the timeline and all the stuff. So mainly I was trading BJDX, and when I woke up, I was just checking the news, and it didn't have very strong news, but the things are moving fast, and around the market opening times, there were like um not a huge amount of volume moving, but the price movement was high, and this is after the market open, and I was looking at actually the pre-market stuff, and I saw a lot of rejections around 10 to 10 15 to 10 $50. Then it goes a little bit down and a little bit sideways, and so this is where the market start, and I was hoping it would reach to this rejection level, um, and that's why I was a little bit comfortable initially. So if I zoom in right here, so this is where I trade almost everything today. So this is that region, and the first one I got like 500 stocks at 861, which is around somewhere here. Yeah, somewhere here I bought around 500 stock, and about 25 cents gain per stock I sold at this level, and boom, it suddenly went down. So I was right at the edge, and then at this edge I bought another 500, assuming that this would go back, but unfortunately it didn't go back, at least not right away. But later you can see it climb all the way up. I was not happy about what happened over there, but I will come back to that later. But so after I bought another 500 at this level, stock kept going down, and I was ready to dump that 500 stock, having a huge loss, around like 500 to 600 loss. But then it hit this low, which is about 712, and right after that it came back again. Then I was like, okay, I'm not going to sell my 500 yet, I'm going to wait and see what happened. Then it went right back up here, and it went down. At this point I was like, I can't trust this stock anymore. Then I set the value, just because it break the $8 mark in here. I set the value, maybe there's a rejection at $8, so I set the value to 7.99. Sell at 7.99, so which technically gives me like $230 loss, but I already had like 120 gain from the first 500. I was like, I can catch up that 100 later. Then at 7.99, which is this guy, 7.99, I sold that one. And before I come to that one, you can see I traded another 250 and 500 uh, stocks at low level. So 250 I bought like 836, which is um, right after I sold this 799, this 236. Um, no, actually I take that back. So this one I bought at 812, which was somewhere here. Yeah, it was somewhere here. I This was like quick. I bought at 812 and I dumped at 836. So that was like very easy, $60. And then there was another one which is somewhere here, 7:30, and then I dump at 7:39. So before I had this big loss, I already kind of have offset this loss. So I was like, okay, maybe I can get rid of that 500 stock that I bought at 845. So I sold it at 799, which gives me to 230 loss. And then I saw the stock come back again. Then I bought another 500 at 820, and I dump it at 832. So which gives me 12 cents a profit per share. That covers little bit of my loss before. Then I saw the stock goes like skyrocketed and go all the way back to the 9. I was like, oh man, that was too stupid of me to sold that stock at 7.99. But then I was like, maybe this is not a good setup. This might come back down again quickly. So I reduced the stock size to 100 and did a quick trades, like couple of trades, 941 I bought and 963 I dump. Should have bought 500 stock with that, but the risk was high, so I wasn't very comfortable. Then again later, after it hit almost $10, actually it passed $10, it dropped back again. And at this point I was like, maybe this might come down back again. And I was just waiting at the right moment, and boom, at $8, I I think in here, yeah, at $8, right at the edge, I bought another 500, and I quickly dump it. I think I dump it too soon. I should have waited. Look how far it goes. So I bought at $8, and a couple of seconds later it's 8.55. But I sold it at uh, 8.22. Yeah, no, 8.15. And also at the same times, I think I bought at 812. Yeah, I bought two 500 quantities. So one is at 8, one is at 812. So right on this candle, I bought two of those, and I dumped one at 822, the other one as 815. I should have kept this 815 to like at least 825. But anyway, that's okay. So then it went all the way back to the 10 again. But I wasn't really sure if this is going to keep going up. So I did just one stock just to be see how the trend looked like. But you see, it's 941 and I sold at 967. So my timing was right. I just want to see if my timings is correct. My timing was right, but the quantity was, it wasn't giving me too much gain. But then at the end, I was like, let me do a quick one before it falls down. Then I did at 962 and I just quickly sold it at 972. So which is, uh, I think it's somewhere here. Yeah, it's somewhere here. Then after that, I didn't look back at BJDX because I was like, maybe I'm not going to overstay my welcome here. So I didn't trade any BJDX for the rest of the day, but I saw that the stock was like keep going down. Um, yeah, that's the story with the BJDX, and I can see it dropped all the way back to $3 after market. So yeah, I didn't hold any quantity overnight, so this is a very big win for me. Um, and the other one that I traded was MESA. Uh, Actually, this one I got panicked and I sold it too quickly. I uh, actually have a loss in that stock. So I bought at 102 and I sold at 0.9943. So this is about like 13 dollars loss because I was too busy focusing on this, and all of a sudden this happened because I put a buy order limit order at 1.02 because the initially when the markets open, this was like having some fluctuation. I think I was looking at this, it initially drops, then it come back. I was like, okay, no, this is still that one. Let me see what happened with this guy. Pretty sure it's the same story. So the market stop, yeah. So it drops and it comes back. Then at this point, I think I set this quantity to buy at 102. Then it keeps dropping, and all of a sudden, I think it went to 9, yeah, 0.96. Then I was like, maybe this will go all the way down. So I dump all the stock at 0.994. But then again, it went back all the way up to 1.09. So if I kept this, I could have a little bit gain, but after that, it didn't have any luck. But yeah, I'm happy with what I did in here. In the past, what I have done is holding into those kind of positions and hoping that at some point it will go back and catch up those loss. But in reality, sometimes they don't. I lost a lot of money by holding those kind of positions. Sometimes overnight. It's a very bad habit, but I learned my lesson. So I'm not holding any these kind of small micro cap stocks. I just buy it and sold them within the day. um, yeah, even though this gives me like about $15 lost, I was able to get 270 dollar profit today. So this is the green day. So last week also I had a couple of good green days. I will try to make a video about that one as well. But I'm planning to make videos every day starting from today. So and also I will later post some videos about what's my setup looks like and what platform I trade. And you can see I'm using Fidelity, but I have a specific layout arrangement. Actually, this is just for the video. Otherwise, I have different layouts in here. Um, so yeah, I can talk about those in a later video. So yeah, I'm happy about today, and hope you guys also make some money today. And let's see how it goes tomorrow. And until then, see you. Bye bye.